Hello everyone, this is Fine from Tech Gaming Villa. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about the brand new TCL P7K TV. TCL has established a very likable habit over the past couple of years to say that the price is the star attraction of the 65-inch P7K. Even if this TCL TV had the most basic specifications imaginable, its €470 UK price would still look crazily cheap for a 65-inch TV. But TCL P7K doesn't have the most basic specifications imaginable. If you're new in my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications and upcoming videos. I have another channel named Awesome Tech Gaming Pro, where I upload similar kind of tech videos like TV comparison, sound system, home theater, graphics card. You can check and subscribe. This TV actually boasts a promisingly premium panel setup and a feature list long enough to qualify it more as a mid-range set than a budget one, as is often the case with TCL, which carries different ranges in different territories. That 65-inch TCL P7K is not available outside Europe. Let's talk about its feature. If you see its picture quality, TCL QLED utilizes colorful quantum crystals which integrate nanoscale quantum dot materials with organic materials in multiple layers together with backlighting technology. This breakthrough achieves exceptional color and optical performance. Each frame masterfully renders more than 1 billion hues of perfect vivid colors, showcasing stunningly vivid colors. Enhanced brightness further illuminates subtle details, offering an immersive and lifelike viewing experience that unveils hidden nuances. TCL QLED introduces the next generation colorful quantum crystal, which featuring a more stable multi-layer nano protection and precision crafting. This innovation delivers an extraordinary, long-lasting color experience with exceptional brilliance and depth. This TV provides 93% DCI P3 ultra high color gamut. This TV utilizing quantum dot technology, it unveils over 1 billion hues of vibrant and precise colors, providing up to 93% color gamut according to DCI P3 color standard. The TCL P7K has bionic color optimization technology. This TV optimizing color based on human preferences. TCL intelligently analyzes image content and enhances scene colors with remarkable precision, boosting realism and immersion. At the same time, it restores and protects natural skin tones, delivering vibrant, true-to-life visuals. TCL remains at the forefront of innovation, investing heavily in QLED technology with a total of 2,485 patents. With a dedicated team of nearly 100 experts and an international quantum dot lab, TCL continues to push the boundaries of display technology. AIPQ engine-enabled TCL algorithm processes contents with stable and high-quality 4K. Meanwhile, Game Accelerator technology gives you a smoother gaming experience. Now it's time to enjoy an authentic movie or game. This TV has AI clarity, which recognizes image in detail. It analyzes images based on their original resolution and displays the ultimate crystal clear visual results in low resolution upscaling and accurate noise reduction. It has AI color, which perceives images as human eyes do. It recreates images by tuning multi-specifications, including color volume, saturation, and contrast. The vibrant hues in front of you have been recreated and fixed in a lifelike manner with a touch of artistic flair. The AI HDR enables your TCL TV to intelligently decode multiple HDR formats beyond delivering natural colors, brightness, and contrast. It ensures that what you see is exactly as the content creators envisioned. It has AI contrast technology, which reveals the extreme situation of an image. It reproduces reality by optimizing the contrast ratio dynamically to accommodate different visual scenarios, including darkness, brightness, and numerous details. And AI motion technology detects fast-moving objects sensitively. It calculates motion in terms of refresh rate and frame number, just to restore the silky smooth image in compensating for blurring and tearing. This TV has Dolby Vision. Picture yourself sitting at a theater and watching the curtains rise as actors enter the stage. With Dolby Vision, you can experience a spellbinding scene right in front of you. You will feel as if you are in a theater rather than just watching it at home. It has MEMC technology. MEMC algorithm reduces motion display, blur, detects image tearing, and guarantees a silky smooth scene. With innovative technology, TCL self-developed HVA panel effectively emphasizes stronger and more accurate contrast while removing image halo and ambient light interference, presenting a clearer and more detailed, stunning picture quality. This TV has high dynamic range HDR technology, the latest standard for UHD contents, which provides a superior experience with striking brightness, exceptional shadow details, and vivid colors. You can sit and still enjoy incredible picture details as the filmmakers intended. And Dolby Atmos transcends conventional channel limitations to deliver three-dimensional audio. You can experience astounding clarity, increased emotional impact, and immersive room-filling sound. It has Virtual X, which makes enveloping sound that appears to immerse above, beside, and behind you, providing an immersive experience in any room. You can experience next-level gaming with best elevating technology in action and unlock advanced display and audio technology. Try smoother streaming with TCL Game Master, and the game bar allows you to stay on top of your game while clearly monitoring the screen and game parameters. According to TCL's own specifications, the TCL P7K only delivers a typical brightness of 350 nits. This really isn't much for an HDR-capable TV. While this does mean that HDR pictures look a little duller on the P7K than we'd ideally like, though, especially with HDR10 sources. Thanks to some thoughtful tone mapping, the TCL set does manage to deliver the brightest highlights of HDR pictures without them looking whited out or scrubbed of detail and shading. You can turn the tone mapping off if you want the picture to look a little brighter, but the less controlled feel of the resulting pictures ultimately throws up more distractions than the slightly darker tone mapped picture does. On more premium, natively brighter TVs, activating tone mapping typically delivers a more dynamic looking picture rather than the dimmer one the TCL P7K delivers, but TCL has clearly decided that in the context of the limited light available through the P7K, retaining as much HDR picture information as possible is better than trying to push the TV to uncomfortable places only to achieve less immersive results. And for the most part, we're on board with that decision, especially in the dark pool conditions. The only rider would be that if you are looking for a TV for a really bright room, the TCL P7K probably isn't it. In that case, if 500 euro is your budget, you might be better dropping down to a brighter TV like a Hisense QT6QV. The inevitable signs of the P7K's budget nature kick off with a bulb with Dolby Vision playback over HDMI. Bizarrely, if a Dolby Vision sequence features a cut between light and dark shots, you can clearly see the image adjust its brightness up or down to accommodate whatever is coming next before the cut actually happens. This is so distracting that it makes external Dolby Vision sources pretty much unwatchable at times. Fortunately, the TCL P7K bars, the premature brightness adjustment issue is not repeated when streaming in Dolby Vision from any of the TV's built-in apps, which will likely be by far the most common Dolby Vision source for most modern households. The TCL P7K doesn't deliver dark scenes as effectively as we might have hoped with a VA type of LCD panel and direct LED lighting. There's a mild fall of grayness over any nighttime or dark interior sequences, and if there's a full fade to black, the TV completely turns off its backlighting before turning it back on again when the picture returns. A choice that might deliver fade to blacks with almost complete blackness, but also makes you distractingly aware of the TV's backlighting mechanisms. Black levels are little better with Dolby Vision sources thanks presumably to the TCL P7K being able to use the extra scene-by-scene picture information provided by the DV Master. It's a relief too to see plenty of shadow details surviving both the screens, slight gray overwash and lack of brightness, but don't expect the sort of relative contrast we've come to expect from TCL's more premium TVs. Having mentioned Dolby Vision, we recommend not using the Dolby Vision bright option as it introduces both noise reduction and motion smoothing processing that leaves the picture looking soft and unnatural. The Dolby Vision dark mode makes colors look a little less vibrant, but it's a cleaner, crisper, more natural picture overall, so stick with that one. Finally, motion on the P7K looks a little soft and reduced in resolution even with the TV's motion processing system in play, though an awkwardly named Nature Cinema option does a solid job of at least reducing judder without causing major soap opera effect with 24p films. And if you have the sound quality, TCL P7K sound doesn't stand out from the crowd as much as the sound of the brand's premium TVs. Its biggest limitation is that without that integrated subwoofer to help it out, it struggles to deliver any bass worthy of the name. Deep bass drops and rumbles in movies, soundtracks sound thin and feeble, almost as if they are coming from a different room. The sound can't get particularly loud even at maximum level of volume. Either high-pitched sounds can become a bit harsh, and there's also a lack of projection either forward or sideways that prevents the sound from ever becoming really involving. It's not all bad news though. The sound might get a bit thin under pressure, but it doesn't tend to cause distortions, crackles, and chassis buzzing other than during the most extreme Hollywood moments. So what's the thought about this TCL P7K? Please write in the comments below. That's it from now.